Hey, to add fingerprint on your POCO C65, first you will have to go to the settings. From here, scroll down and go into the passwords and the security. Now tap on the fingerprint unlock. Wait for this process. Now input your current screen lock. And now grab your phone, locate fingerprint sensor, it's on the right side, and put your finger on it. And now keep gently touching this sensor. Like this. Follow on-screen instructions. So to put the finger on the sensor and then lift after we feel the vibration. Now try to scan edges of your fingertip. And as you can see, it's finished. Now we can also add your face data, and here you can name your fingerprint and click done. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.